For many people, their first experience in agriculture starts at a U-Pick farm. Picking raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries can be an incredible childhood memory. And here at Majestic Farms Blueberries, Jeff Moys and his daughter Melissa Connolly are working hard to keep that magic alive.
Is it fun for you to have the whole family
It
and
is,
the grandkids?
yeah, it's really joy. Yeah, it's a quite true blessing. The first year, give all the grandkids their first paycheck, and it's really fun.
I love being able to work all summer with my kids. I've got 3, my brother's got 1 out here, so having the 4 grandkids, out here and watching them grow, throughout all of these seasons has been fun.
As a kid, Melissa worked at this very farm picking blueberries. One day, her dad noticed it was for sale.
I'm driving down the road to our driveway, and I go, let's buy the blueberry farm. Let's try to do this.
I tell everybody, I'm like, I don't know what happened. Like, my dad had a job, and he was like gonna retire soon, like our family home. And then one day, just woke up and was like, I want to be a blueberry farmer. I was really excited about it. It's definitely nostalgic, but it was $1 a bucket. At 10, 11 years old, it was like, well, this is boring, we don't want to do this all day, Now on the flip side, this is a lot more fun. This is just interacting with the customers, and they come back every year and they know you, and you get to see their kids grow up.
And then hire the kids.
Yeah, exactly. I do tell little ones, they come with their buckets. I'm like, you come back and see me in 10 years, when you're bigger.
He looks like security over here.
Yeah.
He's got his glasses and his...
Connor's ready.
Yes. We have lots of people out here.
Yeah.
Hi.
We work at different sections of the field to try to make sure that we're getting each section picked. So
thoroughly,
we'll come down the field and then go back up the field, and then, just based on where they're ripe or need to re-ripen.
These guys have a lot of berries.
Yeah.
In order to maximize my blueberry profits, I need to consult with the experts. Cousins Riley and Tyson work here on the farm, so they know all the secrets to picking the best blueberries.
So a lot of times we tell people, the farther into the row you walk, the better berries are, because a lot of people stop right at the beginning.
Sure.
Yeah, usually the deeper you go into the bush too, the better the berries you're gonna find, like these ones.
Yeah, if they're harder to reach, they're gonna be better berries, because some people like just to pick at the front. And then obviously, it's blueberries. If they're blue, they're ripe,
What is the ratio of picked blueberries to eaten blueberries usually?
Again, probably depends on the person. There's probably a little bit more ate than picked. Some people are like, you should weigh me before and after to see how many I eat.
There you go.
The older people, I feel eat more than the little kids that come in, so.
Time for a little challenge. Whoever can pick the most blueberries wins.
I don't want this one. I want this one down. I want
Go for it.
Set, go.
All the ones you pick are gonna be green.
Yeah. Why do you have a bucket full of green ones over there? Being rather picky, actually, on mine.
5, 4.
What? No.
1. Yeah, I think I won that for sure, y'all. That was for sure on me.
What's up with you? What's up with you guys? We got this easy.
Yeah, show
I
off.
feel like you cheated.
Okay, I have to be honest though, yours are red and stemmy.
Yeah. It just,
I told you they were all gonna be like that.
I don't have very many, but I
got a big one.
I think I win the prize
Yes.
for the biggest one.
oh, yeah.
That's impressive.
So you guys don't have any fun.
No, not at all. Nothing
Well,
to do.
thank you. Cheers. Cheers.